Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I will tell you 7 careers, very good careers that every fresher or a student who is in their final year of graduation or last year of their academics, they should consider and they should start learning the skills required for any one of these 7 careers. If you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe, and for regular updates on job and career related videos that I post every day, you should definitely click the bell icon as well. Now, all the careers, 7 careers that I'm going to tell you are randomly placed. All the 7 are equally good. I won't say this is more, this is less. All the 7 careers are equally good. In my list, the first career that I would recommend is full stack development. If you like coding, if you like programming, then full stack development is for you. Full stack development, using full stack development, you create websites, you create web applications. There are many things that you can create. Definitely programming skills are required to become a full stack development. Very good for a beginner or a fresher or a student after graduation who is going to start their career. Students who learn all these skills in placement, college placements also, they can do well, and there will be very high chances of they getting placed in very good companies, product based companies, I can say. So full stack development is the first career that I would recommend to fresher and students. The second career that I would recommend to fresher and students is data science or data analyst. This is a job role, this is a career where the candidates who are skilled with data science or data analyst work on data. They analyze, they research, they predict. All these things are happening in data science and data analyst career. So definitely very good scope, very good growth is there in data science also. All the people who are good in statistics should learn data science or data analyst. They should choose this career. I can suggest them. The third career that I would suggest to a fresher or a student is big data. Every company has every multinational company or big organization, they have their own big data. So working on this big data is also a huge requirement in the market. Next 5 years or 10 years also, lot of jobs will be created to manage this big data. So big data has a very good potential, very good requirement in the future 5 years or 10 years. You should consider big data also as a career. So you can start learning the skills required to become a big data engineer or big data career, to start your big data career. Now, the fourth skill that I would recommend is blockchain, because cryptocurrency is in high demand. Lot of people are speaking about cryptocurrencies and crypto, I mean to say, and lot of technology, lot of products, lot of companies have also adopted this technology. So definitely crypto or blockchain technology will also have a very good requirement in the market next 5 years or 10 years. Not only 5 years or 10 years, but the market has already started picking up this blockchain technology. There are plenty of jobs available in the market today, and even in the next 5 years and 10 years, there will be very huge number of job requirements for blockchain specialist or blockchain skilled professionals also. So blockchain is the fourth career that I would recommend to all the freshers and students. The fifth career that I would recommend is game development. You know, gaming world or the gaming market is also evolving. It is growing very fast. I mean to say in 2x speed or more than 2x speed also we can say. So the gaming world or gaming market is, because it is growing so fast, people who know game development also has a requirement, because companies will be developing more and more games, and to develop these games, definitely the professionals or developers has to be there, right? So game developers or game development is also a very good career. You should consider game development also. And I would suggest all the people who love game, I mean to say who plays a lot of game in their mobile phones or on their laptops, on their machines, devices, then they should definitely consider game development. The thing that you're playing in mobile phone, if you start developing the same thing in a company or in your in the organization where you're working, then that will help you, right? So game development is also a very good career. Game development is the fifth career that I have suggested. The next career I would suggest is cyber security, because there are so many concerns, so many things, so many details are getting hacked, and data is very important these days. Lot of company, to secure their data, to secure their product, to secure their customers details, hire cyber security professionals or ethical hackers or people who are skilled in cyber security. So cyber security also has a very good future in the market. So cyber security also you can consider. The last career that I would suggest to a fresher and student is definitely artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial and intelligence will definitely create lot more jobs in the market. So yes, if you love programming and understanding data, then definitely artificial intelligence and machine learning is for you. If you learn artificial and intelligence with data structures and algorithms and all those stuff, you may land a job in a product based company also. So consider all these 7 careers that I have suggested you. Again, I will start with all the 7 that I have told you. Full stack development I have recommended. I have explained about data science, then game development, then big data, blockchain, cyber security, and last but not the least, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let me know in the comment section which out of these 7 careers you are going to choose, and you are going to start learning the skills required for these careers. Which one is your favorite career? Let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much. If you like my work, if you like my videos content, then please click the like button and share this video with your friends and family members also on WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and also Instagram. So that was all about this video. My name is Sushmita. This is my English channel, Sushmita Madhu. I also have a Telugu channel. Telugu channel's name is Pashams. If you type in YouTube Pashams, you will see my Telugu channel as well. Thank you so much and namaste.